Assalamualaikum parents and students. In this video, we'll be going through our O-level science physics topic called kinematics. So kinematics is a topic that talks about motion of objects. So let's read the question together. It says, the figure below shows how the speed of a car varies with time. At time equals to 0 seconds, the driver sees an obstacle on the road 50 meters in front of the car. Using the graph, determine if the car had collided with the obstacle. So in this particular question, we are given a speed time graph. So take note of that, it's a speed time graph. Now what can we get from a speed time graph? We can get, of course, the speed of the object at any particular instant in time. And the second thing that we can find is the distance traveled by the object. Now in this question, the context is that we want to know whether the car will hit something that is 50 meters in front of it. So do we know how far the car will travel? Therefore, we will find the distance traveled by the car over a period of from 0 to 2.8 seconds and determine whether the car will collide with the object. So how do we find the distance traveled? The important information that we have here is that the speed at the start here is 27 meters per second, and then the time will be until 2.8 seconds. So how do we find the distance under the speed time graph? So we will write down distance traveled is equals to the area under the speed time graph. And what is the shape of this particular figure? So you can see that it is made of two basic shapes, rectangle and a triangle. Or we can see it as a whole figure here, which is a trapezium. So if you know that the shape is a trapezium, then we can use the formula of a trapezium. Yes? So what is the formula of area of a trapezium? It is half multiplied by the sum of the two parallel sides. So we have A plus B. Where is A? A is here. And B will be the base here. So this is B. And multiply by the height. So the height is actually the distance between the two parallel sides. So in this case, from 0 to 27. So that is obviously 27. So we will substitute in our values. So we have half multiplied by, so we have 0.6 plus 2.8 multiplied by 27. Okay, the answer should work out to be 46 meters. Now we got to conclude whether this car will hit the object that is 50 meters ahead of it. So it will travel 46 meters. Therefore, will it hit the object? No. So therefore, the car will not collide with the object. And what's the reason? Because 46 meters is less than 50 meters. Our priority registration for 2025 is already open. To register for a free trial lesson happening in November, go to our website ymsedutech.com. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.